Welcome to EduNation Avenue.
Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to create a basic simple calculator using C++, and you have seen and I have shown you how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication. For multiplication you use this asterisk sign. For division it's a little bit twisty concept because this will give you the division value and this modulus will give you the remainder value. So if you have not understood these division concept, just go to the last video and see it. Now in this video I'm going to talk to you further about this basic arithmetic, and what I'm going to do is I will declare this int x here and I am just simply printing it. So insertion operator x and semicolon. And for example, now you have little bit complex calculation. So for example, you have 10 into 20 plus 30 divided by 40 and minus 50. So for the first time when you see it, it will still calculates the value of x, but when the other user or you yourself will see this calculation, it looks little bit complex and you will not be able to understand it by seeing it for the first time. You need to think that this will happen first. So if you have remember the concept in the school, this concept was called PEMDAS, which means the sequence of the calculation will be parenthesis, exponent, then the multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So in the same, this is the same concept will be used here. First will happen the parenthesis, which we don't have right now, but and then happens the exponent, which also we don't have. Then happens the multiplication, so this will happen first, then will happen the division, then this will happen, then the addition, so that this will happen, and then the subtraction. So whatever value you will get, you subtract 50 by this. But it's always a good practice to use parentheses so you yourself can understand by seeing this calculation at once. So for example, I will use parentheses here and parentheses here, so you know that yes, I have this value and I want to divide this value by this value. And to make it more simple, just give the parenthesis here also. So now whenever you see it, you know that yes, this will happen first, the multiplication of these two numbers will happen first, and then whatever the product is, it will be added to 30, and this will be the subtraction, whatever will be the result, and whatever will be the result of the numerator, it will be divided by this. Okay, and now when you build your program and run it, it will give you the answer. But it's always a good practice to use these parentheses in order to understand by yourself that what's going to happen. Otherwise you need to invest your mind, yes, this will happen or that will happen. So always use parentheses when you want to do this kind of lengthy calculations. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.